Ever scrolled past a killer video because the thumbnail just didn't grab you? Let's fix that efficiency and grab those clicks right inside Lightroom. First, you need that perfect hero shot from your video. Once imported into Lightroom, head over to the Develop module. Focus on making your image pop. Adjust your exposure, contrast, and highlights to ensure it's bright and clear, even when viewed small. Don't be afraid to enhance colors and sharpen the details. A vibrant, sharp image immediately commands attention, making viewers pause their scroll. Next up, cropping for impact. Think about that YouTube aspect ratio, typically 16:9. Use the crop tool to frame your subject effectively, leaving space for text or other graphic elements. Once your image is perfectly framed, we move to export. This is crucial for web optimization. Go to File, then Export. For YouTube, a common dimension is 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels. I set your quality to around 80% to balance file size and visual fidelity. Make sure you set your color space to sRGB for web compatibility. Now, for the magic of adding text. While Lightroom isn't a dedicated graphic design tool, you can export your optimized image and then quickly jump into a free online editor like Canva or even Paint 3D. There, you can overlay bold, readable text and graphic elements that directly communicate your video's value. And there you have it, a professional, click-worthy thumbnail, optimized and ready to make your video content stand out and drive those much-deserved views. Now go conquer that YouTube algorithm.